Hey guys, how to here today? We are going to show you how to download a Minecraft map. I've decided not to upload on Sundays or Mondays because I like uploading whenever I want, really. Otherwise, there's a lot of pressure. So you're on your Minecraft map on minecraftmaps.com or somewhere else, and I've playing this map called Welcome to Karusara, and then you press download Minecraft map, downloads, and then what you want to do is go Windows key plus R and type in this %appdata /backslash. I'll put that in the description for you. So Windows key plus R. So Windows key plus R to get this. Then you press enter. Then it should open this, and you're going to press .minecraft open. Then saves. There. Then there we go. Here are all your worlds. Now don't mess with them. I don't actually need that anymore. Don't mess with them. You're just going to go, so you're going to go downloads, go back from your desktop, and then you're on your desktop. Now what you want to do is you're going to go this, drag it onto your desktop, and then do the same trick, Windows key plus R, open this, and then enter. .minecraft, then go into saves again, then move this in to there, open it up, double click, drag this out onto your desktop, and it's going to do this thing for some reason. Then back to saves, take this out, you don't need that anymore, so you're going to press delete, and then go drag this, and it'll say move to saves, unclick, if that's even a word, and then you should have all of this in. If you click on your map, it should have dim 1 and dim 1, or any of the dim ones. If it has that, then you are ready to play. So let's get playing, or I'll show you where it is, and then close that down. I've already opened my Minecraft, so I can not have to load it. Single player, scroll down, and there is your map, ready to be played. And it says version that, so that probably won't be a problem. But you can play on versions 1.16.4 and up. Just check if you can what version you need. So on this it says built for our last version and above. The current version is 1.16.5. Anyway guys, thank you for watching so much. Please like and subscribe, hit that bell, and I'll see you next time. Bye!